What's up, everyone? The holiday season is upon us, and don't you wish sometimes you could just put things on autopilot?
Oh, there's no place like home automation for the holidays.
That's right. Today, we are talking home automation. Let's get into it.
Kicking things off, we got a simple tip that is very helpful around the holidays with all those friends and family coming to visit. Sharing your Wi-Fi password. Shh.
So this tip is super easy to implement. Just set up a new automation that is triggered when you say something like, "What's my password?" or "What's the password?" Then create a make an announcement action and type in what you want Google to tell your guests. Now, when people are visiting, just tell them to ask Google what the Wi-Fi password is.
Hey, let's see it in action. Hey Google, what's the password?
The Wi-Fi password is Goku Vegeta 420. Capital G, capital V.
420, huh?
Yes, it's my address.
Now, if you're like me, after working a long, stressful day, you want to come home to one thing. The sounds of jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bells rockin'. Yeah.
Like for real though?
We are going to create a home automation that uses facial recognition to get you in that holiday spirit. So to do this, we're going to jump into Google Home's new script editor.
This looks like a lot.
Okay, wait, have no fear. It's not as scary as it sounds, I promise. You have to use a desktop browser to actually create your first script, but once it is created, you can edit it anytime straight from the Google Home app.
Nice. It seems like a great way to have more control and flexibility over your devices and how they interact.
It is. So to start, you need to name your automation and you need to give it a nice description.
Okay.
And then every automation needs a starter. So Google made it really easy by providing an autofill list of all the possible starters you can use. We're going to use our doorbell's facial recognition to trigger the music when it sees somebody that it knows.
But what if I show up to your house in the middle of the night like I'm known to do?
Well, just add an optional condition to trigger only between certain hours and set the action, and voila.
Can you also make a script to turn on a toy train with a cutout of Michael Jordan on it to move through your living room and scare away the wet bandits who are trying to rob your house during your vacation? All those same lines, I feel like I never get to enjoy my decorations because I only plug them in when I'm at home and in the house. So I guess now you could go old school with an outlet timer, but that's not the tech geek way, is it? We're going to create a little automation that uses geofencing to track your phone and turn on your Christmas lights when you're within a certain distance from your house. And just like magic, as soon as you get home, you get to enjoy those twinkling lights like the rest of your neighbors.
Now, this next tip is more of a hack, but we thought it was pretty fun, so we wanted to include it. I'm all about making dumb things smart, so if you have a battery-powered creepy dancing Santa elf creature thing that has been in your family for years, this tip is for you. For this to work, you will need a decoration that has a switch or a trigger of some kind, like the try me or on button that's included in most of these store displays. Now, all you're going to do is get a cheap little Wi-Fi enabled relay switch, which essentially allows you to switch something on and off just like you're pressing a button, but remotely. It's different from a smart outlet because all you're doing is controlling the switch mechanism of the device and you're not actually sending a current through this relay. It also lets you add a little customization to battery-powered devices, which is super rad. So you simply wire up this relay to your decoration, and once you've gone through all the initial steps, you can create your automation. We're going to use a motion sensor for ours so that every time somebody passes in front of this little guy, he kicks on and he will start singing.
Now, I plan to host lots of gatherings this year, so let's tie it all together and use everything we've learned to create the perfect holiday party scene. Instead of running around the house trying to get everything perfect, we're going to use a voice command to set the mood with some holiday jams. Mood lighting. Making things cozy. So we're ready for all those people coming over.
If only you could automate your friends.
They'll be here. They said they would.
That's it for us. We want to hear about your favorite home automation hacks, so be sure to drop us a line in the comments below and let us know.
All we want for the holidays is for you to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video from us here at OnePlus. Happy holidays, y'all.
See ya. Throw it back now. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus.